SQL iQuery allows you to run any SQL statement from the command line. But did you know you can also run SQL statements from within source file members? We call these iQuery scripts. So let's go ahead and create a source file member. I usually call it an SQL source type. And type in the same SQL statement. Now let's go ahead and run that from the command entry. But this time we're going to specify the source file, library, and member name where that script is located. And when we press enter, the same statement is run. If we use our Shift F2 key in iQuery, we can see that. Well, let's add a prompt to this. Let's go back into that source file member and insert the prompter for the state field of this database file. Now to do that, we use the display variable command and we specify &prompt. And then we use the execute format command to send and receive the prompter file. Now what we want to do is modify the select statement so that the where clause compares this variable state to the field name state in the database file. So let's go ahead and run that. Now when we run this, instead of the results that's showing up, we actually get a prompter. We could type in a state, New York in this case. When we go ahead and press enter, we're going to see the result only shows up the states equal to New York. Now let's look at the source code that gets generated. Select splat from where state equals NY in quotes, which is exactly what we wanted. This has been SQL iQuery Training. I'm Bob Cozy.